If you're just starting with AI, you're probably making these common mistakes. Here's what I wish I knew when I first started. Stick around to avoid them all. We're diving deep into the world of AI, and trust me, it's way more exciting than just robots taking over the world, though we'll touch on that too. By the end of this video, you'll not only be dodging those newbie errors, but also using AI like a pro. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by breaking down what AI actually. Because let's be real, it gets thrown around a lot these days. In the simplest terms, AI is about making machines smart, like really smart. We're talking about giving computers the ability to think, learn, and even make decisions kind of like we do. But here's where it gets interesting. Machine learning is how we actually that AI. Think of it like this. Machine learning is the training process, and AI is the final result. We feed these machines tons of data, and they use algorithms to find patterns and learn from it. The more data, the smarter they get. And then there's automation, which often gets lumped in with AI. Automation is all about using tech to do repetitive tasks automatically. Think macros or those bots that reply to your emails. It can be A of AI, but it's not the whole picture. Have you ever used AI without even realizing it? Think about it. Alexa, understanding your questions, Netflix recommending shows you might actually like. Yep, that's AI in action. It's already a bigger part of our lives than we realize, and it's only going to get more integrated into everything we do. So, next time you hear someone throwing around the term AI, you'll know exactly what they're talking about and what they're... Now let's talk about unlocking the true potential of AI, and that's where prompt engineering comes in. It's a game changer in the world of AI. This is where you get to be the director of your own AI masterpiece, guiding it to create exactly what you envision. Think of a prompt as the instructions you give to an AI model. The clearer and more detailed your instructions, the better the outcome. It's like telling a chef exactly what ingredients you want in your dish and how you want it cooked. The more specific you are, the closer the dish will be to your expectations. A vague prompt gets you a vague result, but a well-crafted prompt, that's where the magic happens. You get outputs that are not just good, but exceptional. You get outputs that are not just good, but truly remarkable, often exceeding your expectations. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're using an AI writing tool. A bad prompt would be, write a blog post about coffee. Pretty generic, right? Now, a good prompt would be, write an engaging 500-word blog post about the history of coffee, focusing on its origins in Ethiopia and its impact on global culture. Use a conversational tone and include interesting facts. See the difference? The AI now has a clear direction. The better the prompt, the better the output. It's a simple, yet powerful concept. It's all about being specific, clear, and giving the AI context. The more context you provide, the more accurate the results. And here's a bonus tip. Don't be afraid to experiment with different keywords and phrases in your prompts. You'll be surprised at how much it can change the results you get. Sometimes a small tweak can make a big difference. Mastering prompt engineering is like having the cheat codes to the AI world. It's a skill that can set you apart. It's how you go from casual user to AI wizard. With practice, you'll see your AI outputs improve dramatically. So spend some time crafting those prompts and watch as the AI delivers exactly what you're looking for, if not better. The effort you put in will be worth it. And hey, I want to see what you guys can come up with. Share your creativity with the community. Drop your most creative AI prompts in the comments below. Let's see who can stump the AI. Challenge accepted? Okay, now that you know how to talk to AI, let's find you the right tools for the job. Whether you're a complete novice or just looking to expand your toolkit, there's something here for everyone. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding genius to use these. These tools are designed with beginners in mind, making them accessible and easy to use. There are tons of beginner-friendly options out there, each with its own superpowers. From text generation to image creation, the possibilities are endless. First up, we've got ChatGPT, the text generation wizard. It's like having a personal assistant that can help you with writing tasks. Need to write an email, a blog post, or even a song? ChatGPT's got your back. It can help you brainstorm ideas, draft content, and even refine your writing. Next, we have DALL-E, the Picasso of AI. This tool can turn your text descriptions into stunning visual art. This bad boy can generate stunning images from your text descriptions. Imagine describing a scene and seeing it come to life in seconds. Seriously, the stuff it comes up with will blow your mind. It's like having a professional artist at your fingertips. And for all you aspiring Spielbergs out there, check out Runway ML. This tool is revolutionizing the video editing world. It's making waves in the video editing world, letting you do things that used to take hours of work with just a few clicks. From special effects to color grading, it's all possible. Now here's the thing. It's important to choose the right tool for the task at hand. Each tool has its strengths and weaknesses. You wouldn't use a hammer to paint a wall, right? The same logic applies to AI tools. The same goes for AI. Each tool excels in a specific area, so take some time to explore and find the ones that fit your needs best. Don't rush the process. Each tool excels in a specific area, so take some time to explore and find the ones that fit your needs best. It's worth investing the time to get it right. And to give you a better idea of what each tool can do, let's do a quick side-by-side demo. Pretty cool, right? This will help you see the differences and make an informed choice. These are just a taste of what's possible with AI tools, and believe me, we're just scratching the surface here. The future holds even more exciting developments. So, go out there, experiment, and who knows? You might just discover the next big thing in AI. The possibilities are endless. You might just discover the next big thing in AI. The journey is just beginning, and the adventure is yours to take. Now, before we get too carried away with all the awesome things AI can do, let's take a minute to talk about the ethical side of things. Because with great power comes great responsibility, right? One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it's going to steal everyone's jobs. And while it's true that AI can automate certain tasks, it's more about changing the way we work, not taking it away entirely. Think of it this way. AI can handle the tedious, repetitive stuff, freeing us up to focus on the creative, strategic, and human-centered aspects of our jobs. But here's the catch. We need to make sure we're using AI ethically and responsibly. That means being mindful of biases, protecting privacy, and ensuring transparency in how AI is developed and used. It's a conversation that we all need to be a part of, because AI is not just a tech issue, it's a societal one. So, what do you think? Is AI a tool or a threat? It's a question that's been debated for years, and there's no easy answer. But one thing's for sure, by approaching AI with a critical and ethical lens, we can harness its power for good and shape a future where humans and AI can thrive together. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear your perspectives on this. All right, you've got the knowledge, you've got the tools. Now it's time to put it all into practice. This is where the real learning begins, and it's also where things get really exciting. Because the best way to learn AI is by actually doing AI. It's about diving in, getting your hands dirty, and experimenting with different techniques and tools. And the good news is, it doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be incredibly fun and rewarding. Here are a few fun and easy ways to level up your AI game. These methods will not only enhance your skills, but also keep you engaged and motivated. First up, challenge yourself to a daily AI prompt. This is a great way to build consistency and make steady progress. Set aside just 10 to 15 minutes each day to experiment with different prompts and see what you can create. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish in such a short time. It's like a mental workout for your AI muscles. Just like physical exercise, the more you practice, the stronger you get. And speaking of workouts, why not turn your AI practice into a game? Gamifying your learning can make it more enjoyable and less of a chore. There are tons of online platforms and apps that let you compete against others in AI challenges, adding a competitive edge to your practice. From coding bots to designing AI-powered games. These activities not only test your skills, but also push you to think creatively. But here's the secret sauce. Join the AI community. Being part of a community can provide support, inspiration, and valuable feedback. There's a whole world of AI enthusiasts out there, eager to share their knowledge, collaborate on projects, and geek out about all things AI. Collaborating on projects can lead to new insights and breakthroughs that you might not achieve on your own. Check out online communities like Reddit or Discord groups dedicated to AI. These platforms are treasure troves of information and networking opportunities. You'll be amazed at how much you can learn from others who share your passion. Engaging with a community can accelerate your learning curve. And if you're feeling really ambitious, why not dive into an online course? Structured learning can provide a solid foundation and clear learning path. There are tons of free and paid resources available, catering to all levels of expertise, from beginner-friendly introductions to more advanced topics like machine learning and deep learning. These courses can help you deepen your understanding and expand your skill set. The point is, learning AI is an ongoing journey, and the more you put yourself out there, the more you'll discover. It's a continuous process of growth and exploration, and the more you put yourself out there, the more you'll discover. Each step you take opens up new possibilities and opportunities. So, embrace the challenge, have some fun along the way, and enjoy the process of learning and growing. And who knows, you might just surprise yourself with what you're capable of achieving. The sky's the limit when it comes to AI. Remember, the future of AI is in our hands, and by learning and experimenting together, we can shape it for the better. Let's make the most of this incredible journey, and by learning and experimenting together, we can shape it for the better. Together, we can push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. So there you have it, the essential things I wish I knew when I first started with AI. I hope this video has given you the confidence to dive in and explore this incredible world. Remember, AI is constantly evolving, so stay curious, keep experimenting, and never stop learning. If you found this helpful and want to keep learning about AI tools, tips, and tricks, make sure to hit subscribe. New videos every week to help you master AI.